who you serve is not this individual. Those could have serious, serious financial consequences.
When this ABC legal gig app process server served the wrong person, the judge explained how her sworn affidavit could trigger a default judgment and serious financial harm.
The reason that I scheduled this hearing, counsel, is because I had some concerns over the process serving, which is why we requested the process server to be present, because there was a default that was issued against Mr. Elliott in reviewing proof of service. It is not this defendant. The documents were personally served, brown-haired white male, 45 to 55 years of age, 5'8" to 5'10", weighing 160 to 180 pounds. This is not that defendant. When the court inquired of Mr. Elliott under oath, there's another James Elliott that resides at the property. Is that correct?
Yes.
Ma'am, how long have you been doing process serving?
That's about August or September.
Of 2025.
Yes.
What happened? Because who you serve is not this individual.
From what I've been trained on, I go to the door, I verify the address, knock on the door, the person came to the door, I stated the name, they reached out and said yes to the paperwork in that house.
You don't confirm by identification. How do you confirm that it's the person?
I state their name and they confirm it.
Okay.
Work through a gig app.
A what app?
A gig app, ABC Legal.
Okay.
They have like things in there that I have to like press, and they don't require me to ask for an identification.
Have you reviewed the court rules, ma'am, that regarding the service of process?
I reviewed the paperwork they gave me.
Okay, ma'am, let me just be very clear. When you are serving legal documents and then you're signing an affidavit, you are telling this court that what you're submitting is true. It's an affidavit. And so if you're not submitting truthful paperwork to the court, that's very problematic. It would strongly be worth your while to review the court rules as to what your legal obligations and responsibilities are, not just a summary of a training that you've received.
I'm trying to learn. I've saw some TikTok videos trying to get a better understanding. I've read through all of their training, and so.
Because what happened in this case is that the person you served was not the defendant, and then a default judgment was entered because this defendant did not receive the paperwork.
Okay.
They don't know anything about it until their wages are garnished, or their vehicle's repossessed, or their tax return is garnished. And then that's when they find out about it. Those could have serious, serious financial consequences and repercussions.
Understood.
Did you receive a copy of the summons and complaint emailed to you?
Yes, I did.
And mailed to you?
Yes.
Okay, so did you file a response?
No, I did not.
You have 28 days to file a written answer. You need to file your written response, sir.
Okay.